Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading, and I wanted to review our trading in the live trading room today. It is April 15th, 2015, Income Tax Day, and let's start off by looking at the Russell. Our first trade on the Russell was at 939.47. Had a perfect break of the 50. You can see it's got order flow and momentum to the upside, and the trade carried 19 ticks. Easy second target winner. Then we had news. We knew there was news coming. I think it was new home sales, and new home sales gave us two unbelievably good trades. And the first trade was hard to take because it was on a rising 50. The second trade here was a gimme trade that I just missed, and that trade went 78 ticks. Now we have a first and second target. It would have taken us out of the trade. We rarely get trades that long, and we don't take runners. But that short entry was really a plum entry, and no excuse for missing that one. That was just a great trade. Now, the Russell just kept to the downside. We had no retracement to the 50, no way to get back into it. We pretty much had to sit on our hands until finally we got the C candle. Now, we almost never trade off a modified 15 that's yellow, and you can see that it is. But I just felt the C candle was so strong to the upside. I took the risk, and we got 13 ticks. Now that was it for trading on the Russell. We had 13 ticks, and we had 19 ticks, and we really missed a plum short that would have given us two targets. We had a very tiny. Oh, I also want to go over the auto trader trades on the Russell. You can see this was also an auto trader trade, this C candle. This was a beautiful C candle, this 29 tick trade here. 50's up, 15's up. This is just a perfect trade. This is what we were waiting for. This is the most conservative trade you get. It's a break of the 50. Remember, the impulse move up is through a red 50, and then you get a retracement back into the modified 15 with the 50 has rolling to green. Auto Trader took it, and I took it for 29 ticks. Now gold, I had a scratch loss, and the Auto Trader took its only loss right here. It was a break of the 50. You can see that the candles outlined in order such that it's outlined in light yellow. Order flow, stochastic, momentum are with us in this trade to the downside. The modified 15 is down. The trade stalled. It went 3. I saw it coming back. I saw the 50 change to green. I cut the trade at -2. The Auto Trader took its only loss. Now here was the Auto Trader's second target trade. This was a break of the modified 15 with order flow and momentum in the direction of the trade. Shot up for 13. Here on crude, first trade, Auto Trader trade, and my trading in the room. Perfect trade again. Here's what we look for. 15's up, 50's up, 15 is up, Get that break of the 50. Retracement right back into modified 15. C candle, move to the upside. 28 ticks. These are the setups that continually are lucrative. Now this was, I think, a little bit of an aggressive trade. The 50 was still rising, but the modified 15 was hard down. You can see that this is a deep pullback into that modified 15. You have a momentum signal, and you also have order flow and momentum to the downside on this trade. And this was taken deep into the 15. I felt that this had a good chance for maturing into a successful trade. It did not. It was really our only loss for the day. And then just was it on crude. We had the 10-tick trade, the 28-tick trade, and I think that was it. So for the day, we had 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Our 2 winners were crude oil plus 28 plus 10 and minus 10. Russell plus 29 plus 13 plus 19. And we really let up on one of the juiciest short trades I've seen in a long time go past us. And that would have been another $300 2-target winner. And in fact, it was a 79-tick trade. And then we had a scratch loss on gold. Net ticks were 77. Net equity was $720. The auto trader had 4 trades, 3 winners, all second targets, 1 loser. We're only scaling the auto trader at 3 contracts, so it makes $200 for a winner, $100 for $200 for a 2-target winner, $100 for a first target, and $300 for a loser. It had a net equity of $300. Now, a lot of these trades overlap, so you can't add up the net equity of the auto trader and the net equity of the room. But we made $720 today. We erased yesterday's loss, which was our first net equity loss of the whole month of April. We're now up for the week, and we're going to try to close out the week up at least $1,500 and push to a $10,000 month on only 4 contracts, scaling the trades ultra conservatively. Now, remember, in this room, we do not give you areas. We give you exact entries. And I've seen a lot of webinars lately, and all I see are people offering up vague areas, not exact entry, exact exits, scaling, and an equity assessment at the end of their trading day. Now, to sign up for a free trial to our live trading room, we'd love to have you in the room. You go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There's a link there that brings up a spreadsheet for our trading room performance. There's a link that will bring up a spreadsheet for our auto trader performance. And there's also a link there where you can request a trial in the live trading room. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. And you can call us at 1-855-765-6681 and also request a trial for our live trading room. Starting tomorrow, this is the 15th, starting the 16th, we are also going to be offering you a live 1-week trial of our software. So you can download the software and you can use it during the trial along with being in the trading room. So come on, sign up. We want to see you in the room. Have a great afternoon.